All right, so a next step here of something you can do is you can go to our Smart Prompt Creator. What's really great about this tool is that it allows you, say you are, launching a new product and maybe you don't want to spend all that money to hire, a designer, or you don't want to hire someone to go off and spend a bunch of money to do photography. You want to use some of the great AI tools that are already out there. And what this can do, this prompt generator, is help you know exactly what you can copy and paste into those platforms so that it can give you exactly what you need based on what it knows about that audience. So if we know that your niche audience is comprised of a certain type of person and we already know the way to appeal to them, this is going to help you create images and create, prompts that can really deliver on what you're trying to achieve and sort of not make you have to do so much guesswork, which really helps here. So first thing you'll do is click, create prompt. You're going to pick which audience you want to focus on. We've looked at the niche audience, so we're going to use that. And I want a prompt that's going to generate images. So our marketing goal here is driving sales. And if you want, we'll say maybe improving brand awareness. We'll pick a couple of those. So those are our goals here of what we want from a marketing standpoint. You're going to pick which of those integrations, whether it's Dolly, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion. We're going to say Midjourney. Messaging type. So this is looking at those messaging strategies that we've already identified work for this niche audience. You pick from one of those, and we're going to say storytelling. Target platform here, where are you going to throw this image? Where are you going to use it? So we'll say Instagram. And without you having to do much else, you can click Generate Prompt, and it's going to tell you exactly what you can use to put this into Midjourney. So here are some examples. For a pet-friendly kitchen, you can copy and paste this, and there's just one click button that allows that to be super, super easy. Take this over to Midjourney, paste that in, and it's going to give you exactly what you need without you having to go through a whole conversation or ask it so many things before you even get to what you're trying to ask it. This skips all of that guesswork and all of that time wasted to just get you straight to what you're trying to achieve. And this is going to give you, a bunch of different ideas of types of content that you should create using Midjourney based on what those marketing goals were. And it's as easy as that.